Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Text Nation po. Today we're going to take up again blends as we discussed in our previous lessons. Blends in shorthand are combinations of two sounds. Like in this case we have N and T. So when combined that becomes ent. Example, AJ ent, that is agent. And N plus D, when combined the sound is end, as in AJ and A, agenda. Now we are going to discuss the principle of the tem and dem blends. But take note class, yung tem, this tem sound or blend can be TIM or can be TOM or can be basta tum. Tem, team, tom, tum. And for them, dom, dum, pwede po siya. But the principle is tem and dem blends, and these are represented by combining the sound of T and M, forming an upward overcurve, exceeding the line. So lampas po siya sa guhit. The same with D and M, upward curve, upward overcurve, exceeding the line. So we have examples here for tem words like temper, okay, temporary. We have timber, so that's TIM. Attempt, so that's tem. You have tem, and we have the shon there. Tom, so sabi ko nga, pwedeng tom. We have tom as in autumn. Tem as in items. Okay, tem and tem. Here as in contemporary. We also have the principle for word beginning con when followed by a consonant sound. So let's write the shortened outlines for this. So you have tem, PR, so take note over, more than the writing line. Tem, PRRE, that's temporary. Tem, BR, that's timber, timber. We have A, tem, T, attempt. Temptation, temptation. Tem, ORO, tomorrow. O and them, autumn, autumn. I and them for item, may S pala siya, so items. Item, IST for itemized. And con, represented by K, tem, PRRE, contemporary. Okay, so let's read it again. Tem, PR, temper, we add RE, that becomes temporary. Tem, BR, timber. A, tem, T, attempt. Temptation, temptation. Tem, ORO, tomorrow. O and tem, autumn. Item S, items. Item, IST, itemized. Contem, PR, RE, contemporary. So remember that tem and dem are both represented by an upward overcurve exceeding the writing line. So lampas po siya sa guhit. There. So for dem example, dem word examples, we have here demo, okay, demonstrate, demonstration, so that's another principle shon. Word ending shon is represented by ish. We have domino, FRE, freedom, dom. Then we have here seldom, domestic, and con and dem. So let's have the outlines. Demo, that's demo. Demo. DEMONSTRAT, demonstrate. DEMONSTRATION, demonstration. DEMENO, domino. FRE, dem, freedom. Then we have SEL, dem, seldom. DEMES, TEK, domestic. Then we have con and them for condemn. Con and them for condemn. Lampas ng guhit. Condemn. Okay? So these are the new principles of blends combining T and M and D and M. But again, the examples may have different spellings, but provided that the sound is tem or related to tem and related to them, then you represent that with an upward curve exceeding the writing line. Okay, so we will have some examples of these in the reading and writing practice in the next videos to be presented. So thank you so much for watching.